What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make RecyclerView. I wanna make RecyclerView like this. We have one image and one text. Let's create it. At the first step you have to add RecyclerView. You have to specify your RecyclerView. And let's choose an ID for this. After that, let's go to the main activity. In main activity, let's create the RecyclerView object. Let's specify our RecyclerView object. And we need two things. One is a string array for our name and an image array for our image. We have to declare our image inside of this array. For this reason, you can put your image into drawable folder like this. You can go to your folder here, you can Ctrl C for copy, and after that you come here and Ctrl V for paste. And here we have to specify it, our .drawable.css, our .drawable.html. Yes, it's finished. And now we need a string name. For this reason, go to the values folder, double click, go to the string XML, and here you can choose a string array name, for example, names. Let's put our name here. First I want to copy this. The first one was CSS, the second was HTML, the third was Java, the fourth was JavaScript, the fifth was Kotlin, the sixth was PHP. And now let's go to our main activity. Let's minimize this and specify our name string. Yes, when you want to make a recycler view, you have to make a class for your recycler view, an adapter class. For your adapter class, you can go to the Java folder, go to the com.xml, right click, go to the new Java class, and here you put a name, for example, my adapter. Enter. Yes. Let's minimize this and extend this into RecyclerView. And after this, you can bring your mouse over this, right click, go to the generate, and here you have to add implement method. Make sure that you choose all of this. Okay, yes, and after that you need to add this class of my view holder. Bring your mouse over it, go to this, create class. Yes, and you have to create the constructor of this. Yes, and here we need to uh, we need to add the context object. After that we need a string name, or maybe it's one, and image, because we want to store our data inside of this. Let's create the construct of this public my and after that go to the main activity and add your adapter class. Make object of your adapter class. And after that let's go to the my adapter class, and here this method hold our layout for every data in recycler view. Let's make a layout for our recycler view. We can make a layout like this. Go to the project folder, go to the layout folder, and here right click, go to the new layout resource file, and here choose a name, for example my layout. Okay, let's make a layout for our recycler view. For this reason, at the first I need card view. Let's put it inside of card view. I need a constraint layout because it make easy for designing. And go to the command, we need one image, for example like this, and one text view. Let's specify this. After that, let's go to the constraint layout. And after that, let's specify the card view. I think our layout is created. And after that, let's go to the adapter class and add our layout inside of this. This method hold our layout for every data in recycler view. After that you need to add this. After that make it false. This method holds our data, for example context or maybe something else, and this communicate with our view holder class. And here let's make the object of text view. And after that let's specify this. Let's view equal to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot text view. We take the ID of our layout. Look, our image ID was image view and our text ID was text view. Let's go to my adapter class and here let's make it holder dot text view dot set text into s1 session. And after that the item count our item, how many item it will shows our in the recycler view. For this reason we know that we have 6 images or 6 items. If you use I use like this image view dot length, and after that let's go to the main activity and make activity we use RecyclerView dot set adapter to my adapter, and also RecyclerView dot set linear layout to linear layout. After that this. Now our program is ready. Let's see it. You can run your program or your emulator. You can open your emulator like this. Go to this, click on it. You have to wait until your emulator will be ready. You have to wait until your emulator will be ready. Let's run our program. Yes, it works. But look, the display of our screen is not adjusted. Let's adjust this. You can adjust this by this way. Go to the main activity. And here, let's add the class of view. Let's copy this. After that, our project is ready. You can adjust your screen by this code. Let's go to our emulator, run our program. Now our screen is adjusted. Thanks for your attention, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like with comment for supporting us. Thank you so much for your attention.